Thank you, Anthony. Thank you, Riza. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Let me congratulate all the young athletes here today. Mabuhay po kayo. Of course, to my colleagues in Philippine sports, the NSA presidents, thank you for joining us today. The Commissioner of the PSC, Comwawi Torres, thank you for joining us today, Comwawi. To our sports media friends, maraming salamat for organizing this. I am very happy to be here with you today. I think President June reminded me 3 or 4 times that I have to be here, but I'm so excited. I arrived very early. After meeting the Philippine football team that just arrived from Darwin, Australia, pumunta na po ako kagad dito. You know, my message today is very simple. 2 days ago, I celebrated my first 100 days in office as chairman of Philippine Sports Commission. And now I don't leave the house without Doña Remedio's drink that for the throat, and I think I have 5 packs of Strepsils, and I drink 12 vitamins every day. That is the secret for me to keep going. But we have to do this very fast because just like the youth, if we close our eyes and we dilly-dally, then one day they'll become adults, and if you don't train them well, it will be so late already. So what is my message? I think we all believe and we all agree that sports is really a great equalizer across social status and across ages. That is why we know there is power in the grassroots development. Every awardee here is a living proof of opportunities that sports can create for children of every age, gender, language, religion, and culture across the nation. You know, we are developing, fast-tracking, really pushing very hard to implement the grassroots to goal as both a rallying cry and a new revitalized national grassroots sports development program na utos po ni Pangulong Marcos. The President told me, I want to see a national grassroots development program. This is a presidential campaign and a national priority. That is why a few days ago, and I encourage all the athletes who are here today and all the NSA officials who are here today, please download and join the Elite Link app. The Elite Link app is for free, and you have to join there, and you have to be part of the talent program or identification program of the Philippine Sports Commission. Diyan po sa Elite Link app, pwede nang mag-download all Filipino athletes, all the 21,000 Batang Pinoy athletes, or palarong pambansa athletes, or 1,600 athletes joining the SEA Games, and all field foreigners all over the world. We can now track them, we can now see them, we can now talk to them, we can now at least monitor their progress. So please, let me push this very hard. Please join the Elite Link program of the Philippine Sports Commission. It is the database that we've been waiting for the last so many years. Ito na po ito. And you know, I'm happy to tell you that this is in collaboration with the Elite Link group of Gil Lucci. Gil is the CEO of the Razon Group, and he is donating this to the Philippine Sports Commission. This is no cost to government. This is no cost to the Philippine Sports Commission. Number 2, I want to inform our NSA presidents I want to inform our young athletes that during the last board meeting of the Philippine Sports Commission, kami po ng mga commissioners, nandito po si Kamwawin, we have approved the board resolution that says that starting 2026, we should have a national youth training pool. All NSAs can now develop, organize, and name their national youth training pool, and PSC will also give an allowance to these national youth athletes. Once again, I want to congratulate President June and all our media friends for organizing this club. We will support this because giving an award is the best gift we can give to our national athletes and to our youth athletes. And I promise you that the Philippine Sports Commission will be here to support all these projects, and we will support all the development of all your youth athletes. But please also support our programs like, of course, number one, like what I always say, the Athletes Welfare Program. I don't know if you noticed, our first coaster arrived already. We have ordered 3 more coasters for the national youth teams. Okay, and then we are renovating the dormitories in field sports. We're fast-tracking that. We're renovating the track and field oval in Baguio. President Terry was there with me a few weeks ago. And then we are also encouraging you, just like what Ma'am Cynthia is doing, we are encouraging you to host international events. Let us push sports tourism because it is the best way to train our youth, to expose our youth, and also to promote the Philippines as an ideal sports and tourism destination. We have discussed this with the President Marcos. We have discussed this with the PISAC Tourism headed by Lance Gokongwei and the Secretary of Tourism. That is why now I get a lot of requests for meetings. The other day, President Terry of ATAFA visited my office with the SecGen of the Asian Track and Field Federation, and we are bidding for the 2027 Asian Track and Field Youth Championships with 45 countries. I hope we get that. In 2027, we will also host the World Wushu. We will also host, I was talking to SecGen Boats, we will also develop our golf programs for the youth. And next week, I see President Raul here, Dr. Last, we will be in Siargao for the World Surf League. So all of this, we will put our money to good use. We will put all these programs to be very clear programs that everybody will understand, and we will support all out the development of grassroots youth for the Filipino youth in the next couple of years. Makakaasa po kayo na gagawin na to ng Philippine Sports Commission. So, once again, mabuhay ang Siklam, mabuhay po ang atletang Pilipino, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.